having any luck. Today we're gonna give it a shot and I'll see what he'll catch. Okay people, we are here today heading down Ikorodu Road. This is the Desmond and Shay Fishing Show.
That's how we do it.
And Desmond, we're gonna fish every water in Lagos, Nigeria, Africa.
That's the target.
Ikorodu is a city located in the northeast of Lagos State, Nigeria, in Africa. It is located along the Lagos Lagoon and shares a boundary with Ogun State. At the 2006 census, the population of Ikorodu was 535,619.
Okay, so we're still looking for a place to fish here around Ikorodu.
Something reliable, something that we can get some kind of success from. Okay, Desmond.
Yeah, this looks like what we can actually use to cut the line in case the...
Actually, this is a catfish skin puller. We use this to skin catfish.
Oh, you're right. Okay, so
today we're using bread and worms. Desmond happened to bring some snails.
Yeah, I got some snails.
Which I've never used snails before.
You try it.
But today we're gonna give it a shot and I'll see what he'll catch.
There's a bigger one here.
So today we're about to get started fishing in Ikorodu, Lagos, Nigeria.
Okay, here we go. See that? Okay people, the lines are set up already and I'm just gonna wait and watch out for what's going to come out from this water. So can you see? So I'm just here to observe. She is here. Just want to set another one over there and let's see what will come out from this place.
Right now, this spot right here, we're not having any luck, so we're gonna go ahead and move to a better location. There's water all down this road. Desmond, where's the place we was going to?
Someone just said that we can get some fish at Ogolonto. Yeah, somewhere around the Ikorodu here. So
now, what do you call it?
Ogolonto.
Is that like an area, a city?
It's a place here in Ikorodu. So let's go try it out and see what we can get out of the water.
All right, people, we'll go give it a shot.
This place Machitu in Ikorodu. They say there's fish here, so we just want to try it out and see what we can get out of this water. Come, take a look at it. I think we're using, I don't know what it's using, but that looks like, we call it Gary in Nigeria here. Okay, we came to another location to check what we can get from this water. So we have started fishing already, so I'm gonna try my home. Somewhere around here to see what I can get. I got you! Jesus, why plenty colors? Why different colors?
A red.
Wait, it has red. What kind of...
Okay, I'm not sure what kind of fish this is.
No, this is actually, I think tilapia.
No, it's not a tilapia.
It has scales. It swallowed it. Jesus. I think we will lose it.
Yeah, we're gonna lose this hook. Okay, people. I don't know what kind of fish this is. Some kind of red belly.
Has
I'm
different colors.
I'm not sure
Okay,
what
this-
kind of fish this is. People, if you can help me identify this fish, I really appreciate it. I'm not sure if it's a largemouth bass, a red belly bass. I'm not sure. But please try to help me identify this.